Okay, class, I'm going to walk you through a few IXL problems for skill J8, create and interpret line plots with fractions. This is a fourth grade skill. The question says, use your line plot to answer the questions below. Amount of cherries. So when I'm looking at this line plot, I see that one cherry weighs 1 1/4 pounds. I see 1, 2, 3 cherries weigh 1 2/4 pounds. And I see, hello class, this is IXL skill J8, create and interpret line plots with fractions. I'm going to do a few problems with you to help you get started. As you can see here, we are presented a line plot with the amount of cherries. And the question says, how much did the lightest basket of cherries weigh? So when I'm looking at this line plot here, I see that one basket of cherries weighed 1 1/4 pounds. 1, 2, 3 baskets, so 3 different baskets of cherries weighed 1 2/4 pounds. So this basket of cherries weighed 1 2/4 pounds. This basket of cherries weighed 1 2/4 pounds, and this basket of cherries weighed 1 2/4 pounds. And then this basket of cherries, there's only one of them, weighed 1 3/4 pounds. So the question is, how much did the lightest basket weigh? Well, the lightest basket was 1 1/4 pounds because that's less than 1 2/4 pounds and 1 3/4 pounds. So this was the lightest basket. So the question is asking, how much did the lightest basket weigh? I know it's 1 1/4 here. So I'm going to put in my answer, 1 1/4. Click submit, and got it right. I'll do one more question with you. The question says, use your line plot to answer the question below. Amount of cherries. The question says, how many baskets weighed at least 1 1/4 pounds? Well, this basket weighed 1 1/4 pounds. This basket weighed 1 2/4. This basket weighed 1 2/4. This basket weighed 1 2/4. And this basket weighed 1 3/4 pounds. So the question is asking how many basket weighed at least. So at least means they weighed 1 1/4 pounds or more. So it could be this basket, which weighed 1 1/4, but these baskets here, they all weighed at least 1 1/4 pounds because this is more than 1 1/4, and this is more than 1 1/4. So all of the baskets here weighed at least 1 1/4 pounds. So I'm going to count my baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 baskets. Click submit. Good work.